that, Jay. I got 23 minutes. Any person smiling because I'm at work. Hell out of here. Oh.
That's better.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
Well, I'll do a protein shake. I still have the. Remember, I had two of them? I finished one already. Put it in my shake today. I'll just do it for shakes. Instead of I'm trying to do that. What it tastes like?
Oh.
Well, you had the ginger and turmeric. Like jello. I mean, I still drink shit like this. Like, this is not bad. I'm thorough. It's actually good for you. My wife is like constipated. Hey, you're okay. This is better for you than Celsius. But it's like a minute. Yeah, I mean, yeah. It don't taste better, but this is better for you. Like a tea. It's like a green tea thing that they call it stuff. It's prebiotic. So it's good for you. Which is what we've been trying to like get rid of anyway. Yeah, I have this app that tells you to give them. Yeah. So you can like scan something and it'll tell you if it's like good or bad. So this good, this is bad. Like they give you like a score. This will be like 59.
Extra is available, please. $10 to JFK Airport.
Very bad. I'll tell you, look, contains risky additives.
This is a Brooklyn-bound J. Local train.
Super low.
The next
It's
stop
a
is
sweetener.
111th Street.
A sweetener.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
High consumption of sweeteners. It's not good. So I want to avoid stuff like that. Now this one doesn't have anything like marks. So it's good. So this is the only negatives like the sweeteners. This shit is bad.
Attention everyone, there are 150 accessible subway stations. Please check mta.info/elevators for real-time elevator status at your station.
Too many calories.
This is a Brooklyn bound J local
So
train.
see, they recommend
The next stop is 104.
made very limited.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Like, that's what they recommend. Water. Water. That's the Kirkland. Just, they got some other shit. You gotta pay to like search stuff. So like, no. You gotta pay to type. Like, if you just had it, you can just put search and scan it. But I don't want to subscribe to it. It's like $1.99. Yeah, whatever is like in your head. But it does give you recommendations. So next time you get like a order, like a little body, order, scan it. You see, it's probably gonna be like good because it has like all the proteins and stuff. Probably does have some proteins. Hey, watch it.
104.
I just scanned the protein I got. So yeah, that berry lemonade was this one.
This is a Brooklyn bound J
Sort
local
of like those
train.
energy drinks.
The next stop
Yeah,
is
look, it's like
Woodhaven Boulevard.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.